What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before we get into this one, I'd like to request every single person watching to like, comment, share, subscribe and all that good stuff. Check out all the content, link below for the Discord if you want to join. Very boring at the moment, but you know, let's make it live. Yeah, and let's get straight into the review. So what do we have here? We've got a Nike tracksuit in like kind of like a darker grey color. Got some string there, tissue in that. This, I don't know what they call this grey, if I'm honest. There's like 1,000 different grey names, colorways, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, we'll just have a look at the joggers first. So we've got a swoosh and a obviously Nike written on the top, and then we've got kind of like a odd type of shadow type background. I don't know what Nike was doing there, quite different. We've got a cargo pocket, and then those cuffs that I love the most, the good old cuffs. And then on this side we've got the same thing, the cargo pocket, and then the good detail that I really like, you know, Nike Sportswear EST 1972. Just saying that Nike, you know, they were established in 1972. They are standard fit joggers, so they won't be like slim or anything like that. So I'd say true to size. If you want them to fit smaller, go down a size. If you want them looser, go up a size. Then of course we've got the matching hoodie with that same Nike there. Obviously not got cargo pockets on the hoodie, but we do have the Nike Sportswear established 1972 on the arm. And then on the back we've got this kind of funny Nike swoosh, and then we've got the back the same type of pink. I like this one more than my other one. My other one has like a greenish one. I'll be honest, if it didn't have this blob of color and the funny swoosh and everything, it was just plain, I think that would look so much better. But maybe that's just me waffling a bit or whatever about, you know, the kind of what they should do or how they should design them. Price point for this was quite cheap. It was just under around £60. So, you know, very good casual tracksuit to have like just in the wardrobe for £60, because these days hoodies are like £60 each. So a full tracksuit, I'd say definitely worth it. In terms of fit, again, you know, if it's standard fit, you want it to fit tight, and go down a size. If you want to fit standard, normal size, true to size. If you want it to fit big, go up a size. It is up to you. I don't really like giving sizing advice to people, because, you know, it's a bit strange. Everything fits different. Everyone likes things to be different. And, you know, for me, sometimes I might buy a tracksuit that I want to fit tight. Sometimes I want it to fit loose. Sometimes I want it to fit extra baggy. It's just, you know, each to their own type of thing. But I'm not going to waffle too much about sizing. Let me know what you think of the tracksuit. I really do like this color, this grey. But yeah, let me know what you think. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all of the videos, every single last bit of the content. And most importantly, take care, my people.